Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get free business cards on Vistaprint. All right, so first up, you want to log into your Vistaprint account. And once you're in here on your dashboard, just go to the top and click on business cards. Okay, click on it. And once done, go ahead and scroll down until you find free business card sample kit. Okay, this is the only thing that is free as of today. So as you can see here, we do have these $10 cards. If you want this one, you can go ahead and get 50 similar looking cards or shape the cards. Okay, so the only problem with this free business card sample kit is that you're going to receive multiple card shapes. Okay, now if you want to use this one and get some more discount, you can go ahead and add in this code. This one will save you 20% for your first order. Okay, now if you don't know how to add a coupon code, you can go ahead and check it out on the channel. We have a separate video for that. So going back, I'm just going to go ahead over to the free business card sample kit right here. When I click on it, as you can see, when we scroll down, you'll get 11 different paper types, as I've said earlier. And then we have stocks like pearl, soft touch, and natural texture. Full accent and embossed gloss samples, rounded corners, and square shapes. Okay. Now, in here, as you can see, there are dates that include free shipping. As you can see here, it says by Tuesday, September 16th. Quantity right here, just leave it to 1. Okay. 1 means this whole pack. Now, if there are no promos like this free shipping right here, you'll have to pay for the shipping fee. Okay. So you might be better off paying for the $10 deal. Okay. So going back to the topic, just click on add to cart right here. Wait for it. Once done, go to the top and click on go to cart. Now, if this notification is gone, for example, just click on home right here at the top left. Now go to cart at the top right. I'm just going to remove this one right here. And as you can see, right here is total free. Just go ahead and click on checkout and enter your address. And once done, follow simple prompts. And after that, you got your free samples or free business card sample kit. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.